The acoustics in a restaurant, the effect it has on the quality experience that you have is quite phenomenal. If acoustics are great, then it is very easy to have a very audible conversation around a table, and that matters, to be able to hear people well, to be able to enjoy the music well. Because if it's not balanced, there's a thing that happens, an effect that's called the Lombard effect. Because the sound kind of bounces around the walls, the ability to hear the thing that you're focusing on, because we have an incredible ability to focus on somebody at distance and listen to what they say. But when the acoustics are bad, this Lombard effect means that we're talking louder, the music becomes louder, and it's just a general noise. And if you think about the effect that has on your appetite and the ability to consume food in a meaningful manner, you only need to think about flying, where there's a reason they call it airplane food. There's no way you can get that to taste absolutely amazingly well because of this drone in the background constantly, which affects your appetite. So acoustics are often overlooked in a restaurant. It's a silent design piece. Nobody knows, but if you don't take care of it, it'll affect the bottom line of the restaurant quite significantly. Taking care of acoustics, and it's often a big expense, but you'll find that the impact on turnover, profitability, and people's ability to have a great time in the restaurant, it's really quite fundamental.